Hi there, my name is Boris, and I'd love to show you this problem from our new AP World History QBank. This problem features a table showing Shia populations in several countries in 2009. Now go ahead and try this problem on your own, pause the video while you work, and then we can review it together. This question asked you to identify a historical conflict that most directly intensified the division between two sects of Islam, Shia and Sunni. Now this problem illustrates that sometimes on the AP World History exam, there may be more than one way to get to the correct answer. One road is content knowledge and the other road is critical thinking and process of elimination. In this case, if you had the background knowledge that the Ottoman Empire clashed with the Safavid Empire during the time period referenced in the question, then you would know that the correct answer had to be choice A because it was the only answer choice that mentioned the Ottoman and Safavid empires. The Ottoman Empire was primarily based in Sunni Islam and the Safavid Empire was primarily based in Shia Islam, and both empires used their respective preference of Islam to justify the continuation of the conflict. But let's say you didn't know that. Take a look at the wrong answer choices. Choice B refers to the Opium Wars, which you may know occurred in China. So they would not have been relevant to the countries that are in this table because those are, of course, in the Middle East. Choice C mentions the Mongol invasions of territory held by the Abbasid caliphs. Now, you might know that the Abbasid Caliphate had fragmented by 1450, which is the time period that this question begins in. On top of that, you might have known that the Mongol invasions did not cause any kind of religious strife because the Mongols tended to be religiously open. Finally, choice D mentioned the Protestant Reformation, but that had to do with Christianity, so it would not have been relevant to Islam like this question's asking about. For that reason, B, C, and D could all be eliminated, and you could find choice A as the correct answer. On test day, use whichever tool in your toolkit will get you to the correct answer, whether that's knowing the content directly or getting to the answer by a backdoor using critical thinking and elimination. As long as you bubble the correct answer on your scan sheet, it all comes out the same in the end. This question came from Kaplan's AP World History QBank. It has hundreds of questions, all with fantastic explanations, and you can even set up custom quizzes based on the time period. For more information, click on the link in the description.